August 12, 2020. A rainy morning in Stonehaven, Scotland, turned into a nightmare at 9:37 a.m. A train derailed near Carmont, making headlines across the UK. This was no ordinary accident. It was the first fatal rail disaster in Britain in over a decade. Despite its flaws, Britain's rail network is one of the safest in the world. Fatal railway accidents have become exceedingly rare. Since 2004, most train-related deaths involved level crossings, not derailments. But on this day, history took a devastating turn. At the centre of this tragedy was ScotRail's intercity 125 high-speed train, a beloved icon of British railways. Known for its reliability and speed, this train was travelling from Aberdeen to Glasgow. With just 7 passengers and 2 crew members on board due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the journey seemed routine until it wasn't. Heavy rain had battered Scotland for hours, with over 79 millimetres falling in Stonehaven alone. Landslides and flooding were reported across the region. By 7 a.m, the train was stopped south of Carmont due to blocked tracks ahead. After 2 hours of delays and a decision to turn back, the train began its return journey north. What no one knew was that the rain had overwhelmed a drainage system near Carmont. Designed to prevent landslides, this drainage system had failed catastrophically, washing debris onto the tracks. At 9:37 a.m, the train rounded a curve at 73 miles per hour. Hidden behind the bend was disaster. The train struck the debris, derailing with violent force. The front power car hit a bridge, tearing apart on impact and coming to rest on the other side. Coaches behind it tumbled off the rails, some crushed, others engulfed in flames. Tragically, the driver, Brett McCullough, the conductor, Donald Dinny, and a passenger, Christopher Stoochbury, lost their lives. 6 others were injured, 3 of them severely. An investigation revealed the root of the problem: a poorly constructed drainage system. Built in 2012 by Carillion, a now defunct construction company, the drain deviated from its original design. Network Rail had failed to inspect or maintain it, leaving it vulnerable to failure during extreme weather. This disaster, though tragic, could have been far worse. The pandemic had drastically reduced passenger numbers. Investigators issued 20 safety recommendations, including better weather response protocols, infrastructure audits, and improved drainage system designs. Network Rail faced charges for health and safety breaches, and their practices were scrutinised nationwide. The Stonehaven derailment is a grim reminder that even the safest systems are only as strong as their weakest link. As rail travel evolves, we must ensure such tragedies are never repeated. This is the story of the Stonehaven derailment, a lesson in safety, resilience, and accountability.